It's me, boy Tony, out here at Great Seal State Park here again in Chillicothe, Ohio. I figured why not do a twofer for the weekend. It is about 20 degrees warmer today than it was on my last hike, but it feels about 20 degrees colder. We are going to be doing the Sand Hill Trail today. So we're here, we're gonna hike down, do this loop, and come back. We should equal out to somewhere around 5.7 miles, but no wandering around today. Let's get to it. Well, things got interesting. There's a nice little bobsleigh course right here. I had to stop and rearrange my gear. Wind is fucking insane up here. But overall, it's really ain't bad. It's well marked. It's icy, very icy, so I might die on this one. So, but no, I definitely recommend this trail. It's a nice little even balance of up and downs. It's not straight up like the other one was, but and it's got a lot of little side trails, but as you can see, they're all well marked. I'm going blue to pink, I think, if I remember right. But this one, like I said, it's just another one that's right outside of Chillicothe. You don't need four-wheel drive to get to it. Have a nice little campground. And I don't know, I'd say my pre-hike rating, or beginning of the hike rating, is definitely going to be, I'd say, right off the rip, 6 out of 10. I know a lot of people are beginners, and that's what this page is about, helping people get out. But even for people who've been on a few hikes before, it's a nice little weekend hike when you want to stretch the legs, get out before a big hike. So let's keep at it. Tell you what, this is probably the most organized trail I've been on. I mean, all the reviews I'd seen when I was researching this one was they don't mark their trails, bridle trails rip into it, and you get lost. I get lost easy too. I failed letting nav. But no, it's this. We've got blazes everywhere. We're going to blue, and then the next one's gonna be black. I think we're gonna take a yellow one on the way back. That one looks a little bit more adventurous. But tell you what, I definitely would not do this one in the winter time, because that last little stretch almost turned around. It got oh, somebody's about to get my SGLI today, because it's like one big bobsled chute the entire way. And I have more trails to do. I ain't ready to die today, but it's gorgeous out here. All right, let's keep going. though. Yeah, no. I would, this trail only gets better and better. Starts out slow, get your legs used to it. Then it gives you the northbound straight up effect. But I'm really enjoying myself today. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's actually starting to snow. So let's get this trail done and back to the car. Trails are all ice, so it might be a colorful situation. But no, absolutely, this is by far my most favorite trail that I've done. I drive by these hills all the time for coffee. Never knew that there were trails that take to the top of them. So they just tower over the city, and they reflect that when you get up here. You can see forever. I can see my house. But we're at the top. We are starting our midway loop, which is from C to E point, or Bald Eagle Trail. And then we will get back to the car. Well, right when I was bragging about the blazes being well maintained, I went to get off the hill and I lost them all. Looked around forever. Can't find a single one besides the ones that was behind me. And it was coated nice, so I decided to turn back. I'm just gonna take the trail back, you know. It only cuts off about maybe a mile off my hike today. It ain't no biggie. You know, I ain't out here to get big miles. That's what my trails throughout the rest of the year are for. But headed back to the car now. Wish me luck. it back out and down to the car. I don't know. This trail, if it didn't have solid ice on the trails, would have probably gotten my post review. Probably got up to a 7, but great, well maintained as long as you stay on the main trail. As soon as you get off onto the Blue Blazes or the side trails, you know, they get a little iffy. They aren't really marked, and yeah, it's easy to get lost. But again, this is Great Seal. This was the Sand Hill trail. Absolutely great. I'll be back out here. I'm gonna bring my kid out here, and yeah, next weekend I'm gonna take off of hiking, or maybe not, I don't know, we'll see when we get there. But for the time being, my Titans won, or Titans lost last night, so go Bengals, as much as I hate to say that. And tonight KC's going. It's my other team, so go KC. And you all keep chasing it.